going on, guys? It's Romeo here with That Racing Channel. Today we are out here at Moore Automotive. We're going to be hanging out with Bill and his really clean Toyota Supra. He was turning it on earlier and it sounds amazing. What's going on, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how about you?
Good, thanks.
Alright, so what do we got going on here?
94 Supra, 6-speed, 3-liter, built engine, built head, Titan cams, Hypertune intake manifold, Greddy 5-row intercooler, precision 76mm turbo.
Yeah, I was about to say, that thing is big. I can't wait to hop in this thing. It sounds so aggressive. I can smell the fuel. I already know it's about to get a little serious, so.
That's for the parachute.
Oh, you got a parachute?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. So you take this? Have you taken this out to the track before, or?
Taken it to the half-mile event a couple times.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's the mile per hour in time?
And like a 185.
185. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you plan on going to that, like to more half mile, or do you want to do quarter miles?
I'd like to do some more half-mile in it, maybe some quarter, but I'll need to put some kind of cage in it.
Yeah. The drive shaft making that noise?
That's the Tilton triple disc clutch.
So is it like very sensitive?
It's not too bad. It's a little. Hi, my name's Bill. I have a 1994 Toyota Supra Turbo. It's a 3-liter stock crank with Carrillo rods, CP pistons, ACL bearings. Head has Titan 272 cams, Ferrara valve train, Titan cam gears, got a precision 76mm turbo, Hypertune intake manifold, next on C16 race gas. It's got a Greddy 5-row intercooler. It's got a OEM Toyota 6-speed transmission with a Tilton carbon triple disc clutch. It's got an AEM Infinity standalone, stock drivetrain. The rear end's got a TRD LSD in it, carbon fiber drive shaft from the drive shaft shop, and drive shaft shop axles. It's got the HKS Hypermax coilovers on it. It's got Powerhouse Racing rear upper arms and some Megan Racing lower rear arms on it. Got CCW 18s on the front and rear. Brake setup, it's stock calipers with DVA rotors and the NA Supra rear brake kit. It's making like 950 to the wheel. It's got a boost leak that we need to fix and put it back on the dyno. It's only pushing like 30 pounds of boost right now. Should make 1150, somewhere in that range. We ran it in the Virginia half mile a few years back and it ran a 185. It's got a ID 2000 injectors, billet fuel hanger with a MagnaFlow single pump. I've got the guys that fab here made a custom parachute mount for the rear of the car. Just remove the license plate in the rear and then slide the chute in. The builder was Jim Justice with Justice Race Engines. The tuner was Chris Hoover, who works here, and then the fab guys were Paul and a couple other guys. I mean, shout out to Chris Hoover, our tuner, and Paul Trudell that helped put it together and help keep it running.
What exhaust system is on this car?
It's a custom titanium exhaust.
Titanium? Is it a 3-inch?
4-inch.
4-inch. Ooh, nice.
4-inch turbo back.
Nice. Loud, but it's not drony. If you know what I'm saying. Like, yeah, no, it's just right.
Considering all the interior's missing.
Yeah, you know? Exactly. And it's not terrible. I'm very surprised about that. The brakes are good too. What brakes are on this car?
They're DBA rotors, stock calipers.
Okay.
And then I got a small brake kit in the rear from an NA Supra.
Nice.
So I can run like 15-inch wheels.
I hope you guys enjoy the ride along with the Supra. If you guys haven't yet, like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. That'll be it for today. Peace.